Don't. Oh! What the hell was that? Did you kill him?
I got the Wookiee.
Did you kill him?
I killed him.
You sure?
I think so. Hey, Wookiee.
Holy shit! What the hell? What the hell? Listen! The Wookiee's gone mad! Help me! No! Leave me alone! No! No! Let go! Let go! He's gonna rape you! That was Wookiee Attack 2.
Sasquatch videos provided by Gobstoppers, the best candy in the world.
Except if you get too many in your mouth, it's quite hard to get rid of them. Kill him! Kill him! Get the hell out of the way! Doug! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh shit! He's standing up! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! He's standing up! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh shit! Oh god! Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! He's got him cornered! Oh my god! He's cornered! His dog is coming up! Oh my god! He's punching him! Sasquatch is going down! No! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, he's got him by the legs on the back! Holy shit! What is going on here? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! He dropped him! Not me! Not me! Not me! Not me! Oh shit! Oh shit! Not me! No! No! Oh, I am safe! I am safe! I am happy! Sam does not look like he's doing too well.